Alright, so when you download the source code and extract, you're going to have access to this folder. So all you need to do is make sure you have Visual Studio 2022 installed. This is Visual Studio 2022. You can see I have mine installed. So once it's installed, you need to come and double click on this particular file. You can see this online result checker.sln. You need to come and double click it. So it's going to open up a bit. It's going to open up inside Visual Studio. So it's trying to open up now. Alright, so the thing is open now. You can see it's open now. So the next thing is to run the application. This is where you click to run it. So depending on the browser you have as a default browser in your system, the name is going to show here. So at the moment I have Microsoft Edge as my default browser. You can see that's what I have showing up here. So once you click here, the application will start to run. So it's going to start up in a browser. But you will need, there's another app you will need to have on your system. That's the Database Management Studio. SQL Management Studio. You will need to have it installed. At the moment I have the app installed. You can see it here, SQL Management Studio. That's it. So you need to download that and make sure it is installed. Okay, so once you have this both app, that's the Visual Studio and SQL Management Studio installed, then you just click here to run the app. So the SQL is like the database management engine. So there is a database management engine that usually comes with this Visual Studio. Okay, so if you can't download, if you don't have a SQL Management Studio, you may want to use the one that comes with this Visual Studio. So you can see it has started up in this browser, this Microsoft Edge browser. At the moment, this is the URL it's running on. So it's loading. It's going to take a while, then the interface will be completely loaded. So this is the interface. You can see it's completely loaded now. You can see. So that's it. Yeah. Let me close this. So the SQL engine that comes with Visual Studio, I think that's it here. You can see. That's it here. You can see this is SQL server. You can see at the moment I have like 2 servers running. Okay, I have 2 servers running. So if you don't have this SQL, if you don't have this SQL Management Studio installed, you may need to you may need to look for a way to use this inbuilt one that comes with this Visual Studio. Okay, so that's it on how you can run the application. If you try it and you have any issue, just let me know.